temperatures in the negatives these past 2 days. As you can see, my face is like so red because it is freezing cold. Dad is fixing the tractor tire right now so he can give them hay, and they're not happy. You guys want some hay? And then we got Reggie over here just eating snow. Reggie's so weird. It's his ball, didn't you? He was playing fetch, but he lost it. Where'd you put it, dude? Let's find it now. Gotta look everywhere for it. This is what my hand looks like after having my glove off for 5 seconds, and don't mind my fingernails. It's terrible. Bale number 1's out, and now they're happy, and now it's time for bale number 2. Magssie! Oh, you want to give me a hug? Thank you. Oh, Willow, you want to play too? Oh, okay, okay. Magssie, you're so sweet. Yes, you are. You're the sweetest girl ever, ain't you? So, I've been really slacking on training the girls lately because they're just, like, easy to train, you know, but the other 3 aren't. So, I taught Willow backstall a few days ago, but haven't had time to work on that since I taught her it, so I don't know if she's forgotten it or not, but it's just too cold to be training that much. So I trained Reggie and the puppies today, and then now I'm gonna go ahead and head inside because it is cold. Dad delivered some hay to the neighbor, and now he's coming back. Now I'm gonna head inside because it's freezing out here. It's like 15 degrees. It is the next day and more snow. But yeah, it's snowing even more, and the snow has already been here for like a month, and it's gonna be here for even longer, which stinks. So I think after I get all the animals fed and all that stuff, I'm going to probably do some training. I think we're gonna do confidence training with Magssie today. I'm gonna go check the cows right now. I look like terrible today, so we're not gonna mind that. Hi babies, you want me to pet you today? Let's see if Mars is gonna get brave again today. Hi Caver. I think I'm gonna try going in there with the heifers. Just for a little bit and seeing how they act like that. She sees Leo and she's like, what is that? Oh, here comes Pokey and one of them. Well, hi. Hi, baby. Hi. I honestly wish that we could keep Mars because she's honestly got a really good demeanor so far. So I wish we could keep her, but she'll probably end up going for beef, sadly. So, you want to say hi? See the kitty? I'm just gonna stay in here for a little bit longer, but just be really alert because if he comes over here, I'm definitely getting out. He's nice. Well, hi, folks. I haven't been able to ride Pokey too much lately because the snow is just like slick, and I don't want him falling because he's getting up there. He's 16, so I don't want him to fall and slip because that would not be good for me or him. So we've just been taking it easy for a while and not really doing a whole bunch of work. On days that are like not super like slippery or anything, I'll get him out and do some like riding and stuff, but usually we just do like walk, trot, and does my hand taste good? Yeah. It's all right. Oh, you eat my hand now? Oh yeah, that tastes good. There you go. Be nice. You guys, oh my goodness. Oh, you wanna get the cat? Wanna play with Pokey? Be nice. You're kind of crazy when you're out. I pet you. Thank you. Everybody else is just down there eating their hay. All right, now I'm gonna get on chores so that I can train the dogs. We got a bale of straw the other day, and I opened it up, and I forgot to tie it back. So Willow decided that it'd be nice to make herself a bed. So I had to pick all of it up and put them in these bags yesterday, which was not a very fun job. But that was some of Willow's activities. Training these three at one time is chaotic, and I still have 2 more dogs. So this is my life. Ah! So if you're new, this is Sadie, this is Cy, this is Reggie, and then there's Magssie and Willow. Magsie's the brown one, and then Willow's the other small gray one, but she's bigger than Sadie. You guys, I swear, Reggie thinks that he is a Malinois. Ah! A working line Malinois. I have to do so much with these dogs just to get their energy out. It's insane. Ow! Stop! So some things that me and the dogs are working on right now is I'm just doing a lot of recall training, heel training, And then we're also doing some confidence training. Just everything that's obedience that's going to help them. I'm not really focusing on tricks right now. So just trying to help them be better dogs. Now we're going to work on some more confidence training on the hay bales. Oh, Reggie, calm down, Reggie. Reggie, no. Now the chickens need fed because I completely forgot about feeding them. So I just went straight into training these dogs, and now they need fed. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. We ain't eating chicken food. No, 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 no. What are you doing, Bubby? He's so cute, guys. He's getting so big. Sadie, sit. Sit. Hi, puppies. All the chickens are staying warm in this cold stuff. Thank you, guys. Hopefully I can get some more chicks in the spring because these guys are getting older and their egg production is slowing down a lot. You guys want treats? Ah! Hang. Wave. Yeah. Glass mom, if you can have. I'm not gonna be doing much today. It's dark in like 45 minutes. I'm probably just gonna feed the animals and then I don't really know what. It's gotten so much warmer though. Just today, it's like 38 today, which is really nice because it's been like negatives. I'm gonna try to say hi to Milkyway and see if she wants to be a friend today or if she wants to be foes. What's up? What are you doing? Are we foes today? Yeah, I don't think she wants to be friends. Are you friends today? Hi, Pokey. Oh. Hi. What are you doing, buddy? You want a treat? Oh! That was so mean! You want a treat? Oh! He just nipped at Mars. Pokey. I look so weird in this coat. I look like the Hunchback of Notre Dame. Oh, you gonna eat my coat? Oh, he just fogged my glasses up with his breath. Oh, you left me. Well, bye. Oh, now you're fully leaving. So, once it's not as cold out and there's not so much snow, I'm going to film the Q&A, guys. Don't worry. So, the Q&A will be posted soon. Hopefully, like, early February. Ow! I fell down. I was sitting on one of these, and then I just like gradually slid down. The barn makes my camera quality like 10 times worse than it already is. Okay, guys, it's starting to get dark, so I'm going to go ahead and go inside now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. God bless. Don't peck me, bro. Hi, Dolores. So, that looks worse. I picked up, well, no,